Hello students, welcome to my channel. If you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Today's topic is neutralization reaction in everyday life. So in our last video we have discussed about the neutralization reaction, what is neutralization reaction, and today we are going to see how it is useful in our everyday life. Okay, so first thing, indigestion. Indigestion word you may have heard many times in your home also. What happens when our stomach secretes, that our stomach secretes dilute hydrochloric acid, which helps us to digest the food. Okay, which helps us to digest the food. But what happens sometimes we eat such food, because of that we feel indigestion. Excess of this HCl is secreted in the stomach, and it is very painful since the acid penetrates the linings of the stomach and it damages the cells. Okay, so this causes discomfort and burning sensation in the stomach. It causes burning sensation in the stomach, and it can also lead to ulcers. So what we do in such a condition? We take an antacid. We take an antacid solution, or we take an antacid tablet. So what is there in the tablet or antacid solution? It may be milk of magnesia, or we can say magnesium hydroxide. Okay, we can take baking soda, or we can say sodium hydrogen bicarbonate, or we can take aluminum hydroxide. So these are all the antacids. And why we take them? To neutralize the effect of excess acid. Whatever acid is there in our stomach, if we take a base, then that is neutralized. Okay, that action of the acid is cancelled out with this, because of this base. Okay, baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, which is a salt of strong base, is also taken to cure the indigestion. Normally this baking soda is there in our kitchens, so we used to take this when we feel like indigestion. Okay, so if we take this antacids, that cures our acidity. Okay, then second one is treatment of soil. See, the soil of an agricultural land becomes acidic on excessive use of chemicals, or we can say organic fertilizers, or this nitrogenous fertilizers. So because of that, what happens? The plants do not get nutrients when they are when the soil is excessively acidic or basic. Okay, so soil may be acidic or basic by the use of many types of fertilizers or chemicals. So and this prevents the proper growth of crops. Crops cannot grow in the acidic or basic soil. Crops grow well in the neutral soil. So we have to make the soil neutral by adding this base to the acidic soil. How? So when a soil is extremely acidic, we can add quicklime, that is calcium oxide, or we can also add slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, CaOH2. We can add this. Okay, why we add this? To neutralize the effect of these acids in the soil. Okay, similarly, if the soil is basic, then we add some organic matters. Why we add this organic matter? Because it releases acids and neutralizes the effect of basic substances present in the soil. This releases acid, and this acid neutralizes the bases in the soil. Okay, so in this way, in the treatment of soil, this neutralization reaction is very useful. Okay, then we have ant sting or other what we can say, bees and all, then they, when they bite, it releases a liquid into the body of a person. Okay, so that may cause, this liquid can contain a weak acid. What it contains? It contains a weak acid such as formic acid. Do you remember this common question? It is formic acid. Okay, so this formic acid causes swelling and burning sensation in the skin. Where? In the skin, over the skin. Sometimes it swells, or we have burning sensation when an ant or a bee stings or it bites us. Okay, so to neutralize the effect of this formic acid, we have to apply a base. So which base you can apply? This baking soda you will get from your kitchen, and it should be moist. Moist means you add few drops of water in it and then apply to the place where this bite is there. Okay, so sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda. Then you can also apply calamine solution. It contains zinc carbonate, and when it is used with water, it produces zinc hydroxide. Okay, and this zinc hydroxide, it is a base, and it cancel out the effect of this formic acid, and we feel relieved. So this ant sting, here also we can use that neutralization reaction. Then we have factory waste. Okay, so factory waste, they mostly contain the acids. Okay, whatever the waste of the factories are there, they contain acids. So when these are discharged into a river, so we know that this factory waste is discharged into the water bodies. So when they are discharged into the water bodies like river, sea and other water bodies, they kill the fish and other aquatic organism. So these acids should therefore be neutralized by adding slaked lime before being discharged into the water. Okay, so before discharging into the water, it can be neutralized with the slaked lime. Okay, so here the neutralization reaction will cancel out the effect of acid in the water, and that water will be neutralized. Okay, then we have tooth decay. Tooth decay means it is caused by the acid. It is caused by the acid produced by the bacteria in our mouth. Okay, this acid is caused by the bacteria in our mouth. So when we apply the toothpaste, we should brush every day, that you know from the very what we can say, that KG classes you learn in the school, and your parents also tell you that you must brush twice a day. So why? Because this toothpaste is slightly basic. It is basic in nature, and so it neutralizes the excess acid around the teeth. Water acid is released by this bacteria on our teeth. It is neutralized by this toothpaste because it contains base. Okay, so this prevents the tooth decay. If you will not brush your teeth, then certainly this acid will spoil your teeth, and you will have tooth cavities, and it will be very painful for you. Okay, so this is another application of this neutralization reaction, tooth decay. So we have seen this where we can where this neutralization reaction is useful in our everyday life. That is, first one is indigestion, then treatment of soil, ant sting, ant or bees sting, then factory waste, and tooth decay. Okay, so here we will stop. We'll meet again in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.